What's up guys, my name's Jack, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going through lacing up my YZ250 wheels. Went with Tusk Impact wheels and spokes and got the OEM hubs powder coated and installed the new wheel bearings into the hubs already. This video isn't really going to be a tutorial on how to lace them, it's just going to be more of me documenting the process. There's already a bunch of tutorial videos out there, so figure not add to them. Pretty easy process. I think truing it was honestly a little bit more tricky than lacing up the wheels, but either way they turned out great. They look amazing. They look amazing on the bike. The bike's close to being done. I just got to do some minor things and go through and make a video out of the build process of the rest of the bike. But for the meantime, here's the wheel building video, and hope you guys like it. I had a ton of fun building these wheels. If you guys like this type of video content, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the wheels in the comment section below.